Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video where today we will be checking on the 5 best hidden cameras. I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price, and find out more information about these cameras, you can check out the description in the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1. We have Mini USB Wall Phone Charger. This ordinary looking and functional USB wall charger features a 1080p HD hidden camera lens allowing you to easily monitor any room in your home or business. Just insert a micro SD card, not included, just plug it into any AC outlet, and the camera will start recording. There is no complicated setup or configuration needed. The camera is truly plug and play and easy for anyone to use. There is no pinhole which helps disguise the device. In addition, because wall chargers are so common, you can place this device virtually anywhere and no one will suspect it is anything but a USB charger. At number 2. We have HD Smoke Detector Camera. It looks like a smoke detector, but actually, it is a smoke detector night vision hidden cam. The hidden smoke detector camera can help you to monitor when you are out, and support recording while charging. The wireless spy smoke sensor cameras support 2.4G Wi-Fi, which needs to be started on the app. When the NannyCam smoke detector detects a moving object, it will send an alert to your mobile device to help you know what is happening in your room or office. We sell the upgrade smoke detector camera with night vision. The quality not only higher than the ordinary flat-bottom smoke detector camera, but also we can give you the best price. At number 3. We have COCOPP Spy Camera Hidden in Clock. Great mini hidden camera. Real-time video recording supports smartphone app to remote view and control. You can keep an eye on the dogs when you aren't home, to see what they are doing while away. Support up to 4 people online to check the video. The 1920 by 1080p video resolution together with 157-degree wide-angle lens, allows you see exactly what's going on through the video. 2300 mAh rechargeable battery included. This spy camera clock built-in 6 night vision. You can see faces and details clearly even in total darkness. The LED time light can be turned off by pressing the plus button, which is a big plus. At number 4. We have hidden camera and power bank. This power bank camera can not only to charge your phone, but also can to take video and pictures for you. The power bank camera can monitor your home and office when you are out. It can take about 3 to 6 hours for it to be full. 5000 mAh large capacity mobile phone battery. The charger can be charged at the same time as mobile phones and other digital products, and has a long shooting time. The power bank for camera is easy to use, and is easy to carry with various places such as outdoor, home, office, etc. You can still take picture or video when you use it at night, because it has the night vision invisible infrared function. Finally, at number 5. We have AOBO Spy Hidden Camera. This AOBO hidden camera is the world's smallest HD 1080p camera. Brings you a crystal clear video image. The size is very small and can be easily to hide. It will easily fit inside a pocket or hide in some places that will be unnoticeable. This camera is of super small size, therefore it affects the heat dissipation. So increase heat dissipation hole, let the machine fast heat dissipation. It's a tiny DV camera. It is different from regular security camera. It was designed to meet people's short and covert recording. If you need 24 hours to record, please turn off within 24 hours a few hours. Let the camera to rest and heat dissipation, so as not to affect the performance and service life of the camera.
Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.